babies.
Oh my goodness, well this is the kitten room. There's a million in here. And 2 went home already?
Oh
yes.
Yeah, million minus 2.
Black kitty, or I believe for white spots, and tuxedo
Dang.
one.
Cute.
Cowbella.
Hi, oh my goodness. Why are you still here? I'm gonna adopt you if you don't get adopted. Will you cuddle with me today? Come here. This is my little cuddler. Oh. Are you in the mood for cuddling today?
Hmm?
Do you know what this one's name?
Fiona.
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 She shows you I can play with your necklace, I'll cuddle.
Fiona likes to sit on your head if you let him. Her.
Yeah,
Yeah.
her. She was playing with my hair on my neck.
She's the sweetest. Why is she still here?
I don't know.
Too many kitty. Too many.
I'm gonna be
competition.
so tempted to adopt her if she's here for too much longer.
You know, she looks like a dilute Elena.
And she's so sweet. She's not spicy at all.
She's not.
Someone's
And she
gotta
has
get
all
this
her teeth.
tortie.
You're not,
Gotta get this tortie fast.
you're not missing any teeth, huh?
Rare. This is just rare.
There's too much competition. Too many cute kitties to choose from.
Well, the next person who wants a cuddler, okay, get her. She's by far the cuddliest one in here, I think. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness, look at him go.
How good is this? Let's untangle it. May I? Please? No?
Uh-oh.
Okay. You having fun chewing it?
That toy makes a big mess. A lot of.
Sorry, this is a boy one, right? And his sister got adopted, huh?
Yes. Yes.
So sad. He's doing so much better.
I know.
No,
We know that. No,
he's
that they're both girls. Those
They are?
those 2 siblings were. Which one was?
Sorry. They remind me of Cole and Katie.
Yeah.
So I got one was boy and girl.
Quinley. Yeah, that one's Quinley. It looks like baby Bartleby and confetti all mixed together.
Do you want to be held?
You're slappy like confetti, huh?
I'm sorry your sister got adopted without you.
I know, I'm so sad about that.
Oh, she's purring.
It's a good girl.
She says, I just needed a little love. Oh, and she's out.
Oop.
Too much.
Oops.
Too much.
Can you hold my phone for a second to film the... Yeah. Get the other ones. Hi, you need to do together.
Where's the little Piper?
I know. Oops.
Are you cuddly? Are you cuddly like Piper? No. Kind of. Maybe. Only if you're playing. More like a ninja. Are you a Piper or a ninja? Whoops. You okay? You okay?
No, you're not doing it.
Oh my gosh, this one's totally like Piper. Oh! You're so good. You're so good.
Thank you.
You are. Who's in the tunnel with the cat toy? Who's this?
Whoop.
Oh, are you still scared? Come here.
It's okay, baby.
Okay. Okay. I'll protect you. I'll protect you. Don't be scared. You don't have to be scared. Am I making it worse? Excuse me. Who's talking? Is that you? Oh, you're full. Look at that belly. Look at that belly. Are you growing? Are you growing? What's up? What are you looking at? Were you buffering? Were you buffering?
Loading.
Loading.
Brain loading.
You're still purring. Come cuddle with me. I really think you liked it. Oh, nice job. Nice job.
Somebody fell in the food.
Yes.
Uh-oh, Fiona.
It's okay. We forgive you.
Do you want to change toys? Cause that one is shedding too much.
Is it? Yeah. Oh, that's a big piece.
Yeah. Me too. Let me give you a different toy. I don't think that should be.
Yeah, I agree. Let me stick this in my pocket.
You are twisted in a weird way.
Excuse me, who's pulling at my shirt?
Patches.
Thank you. Oh, that's a winner. Oh my gosh. I love kitten season. I love kitten season. What about you, Quinley? She says, no thanks. No thanks.
Can I get this off your face? Thank you. Good baby.
Why do their whiskers get